Hi, my name is Adina, and I just got to finish the Transformational Play Workshop with Angela, and it was super amazing. I didn't know what to expect coming into it, and I was pleasantly surprised to find out that it was actually a lot about mindfulness and openness and curiosity and presence. And so even though we spent the whole workshop doing exercises and playing games, it was very much coming down to that place of how can I be the most authentic in this moment, and that was really exciting and mind-blowing for me. I loved a lot of the games. I learned that clowning is something totally different from what I thought it was, at least in this context and the way Angela teaches it, and that some of the clowning exercises that we learned or that we did showed us about how to be our most authentic self and how to be seen and to see others in this very present way, which is something that is very uncomfortable for me and I think most everybody. And then how to move from there once you can be seen, and then how to just spontaneously be in the moment and what wants to arise rather than trying to make something to happen. And that was a theme throughout, and that kind of tied in together throughout the whole workshop. And at the end, where we got to kind of evolve that into breakout exercises, I really got to see that come through, and that was powerful for me to tie it all together, where this spontaneous presence and spontaneous magic arose in these exercises. So that was awesome. Yeah, I am really excited to take this out into the world and just every day, but also into the work that I do, also including mindfulness and transformational work, and include some of what I've learned here and just continue to stay connected and learn more. So this is a good jumping off place for me, very much, and I'm really grateful I got to be a part of it. So thank you.